So in this question, you're asked to prove that sine square 6x minus sine square 4x is equal to sine 2x into sine 10x. So what is the formula that we're going to use? We're going to use the compound angle formulas, but the advanced compound angle formulas. So you have a formula which says that sine A plus B into sine A minus B is equal to sine square A minus sine square B, or this can also be written as cos square B minus cos square A, right? We have this formula. So does this question relate to this formula? Yes, this looks like the RHS term, sine square A minus sine square B. So what is sine square 6x minus sine square 4x? So by this formula, this will be equal to sine of A plus B, 6x plus 4x, 10x into sine of A minus B, 6x minus 4x is 2x. So sine square 6x minus sine square 4x by this formula will be equal to sine 10x into sine 2x, which is same as sine 2x into sine 10x. Hence, proved. Next, let us go for the next question. This question is also based on this formula. This question looks like cos square B minus cos square A. So this angle is B, this angle is A. So cos square B minus cos square A is equal to sine of A plus B, 6x plus 2x is 8x into sine of 6x minus 2x is 4x, which is the question which is asked. So this is the RHS which you're asked to prove. So hence this result has been proved. Thank you.